Assalamualaikum, my name is Nur Adewa binti Fauzi. My metric number is 211220603. Today I want to present about TNB's background. Tenaga Nasional Berhad, often known as Tenaga Nasional or simply Tenaga, is a Malaysian multinational electrical corporation that is the only power company firm in Peninsular Malaysia and the largest publicly traded power company in Southeast Asia with assets valued 99.03 billion. Through Sabah Electricity Sdn Berhad, it supplies over 8.4 million clients in Peninsular Malaysia excluding Sarawak and the East Malaysian state of Sabah. TNB's main business is energy generation, transmission and distribution. TNB's vision is to be more than just an ordinary power company. It wants to be a company with the competence and ability to provide a variety of different services that aren't even related to the energy industry. TNB's management background, as I state in the slide, there is board of director, independent non-executive director, executive director and non-independent non-executive director. TNB has 4 services, which is Rimaco, TNB Fuel, TNB Energy Services and TNB Engineering Corporation. Each member of the TNB family plays an important role and they all work together to deliver greater service of TNB consumers. That's all from me, thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Soneshni Gunusilan. My metric card number 211220675. I'm going to present about the vertical analysis of financial statement. In statement of comprehensive income, we can see that profit for the financial year 2019 represent 4.16%. For the year 2020, increased to 6.56%, and for the year 2021, decreased to 4.07%. After deducting all the comprehensive expenses, total comprehensive income for the year 2019 was 1.63%. For the year 2020, increased to 5.57%, and for the year 2020, slightly increased to 5.98%. For the consolidated statement of financial position, non-current asset for the year 2019 was 87.98%. For the year 2020, 88.56%, and for the year 2020, 89.16%. Total non-current liability shows for the year 2019, 59.63%, for the year 2020, 58%, and for the year 2021. Lastly, total equity shows for the year 2019, 28.72%, for the year 2020, 26.99%, and for the year 2021, decreased to 25.2%. Vertical analysis helps company managers to compare and see the rise of inefficient costs. That's all from me. Thank you.
My name is Yushni from class 21D, matrix number 211220705. Horizontal analysis. Horizontal analysis is a financial statement analysis in which financial statement items from one year are analyzed and interpreted in relation to comparable items from another year. It is a useful tool to determine trends over time. This study compares items in comparative financial statements on ratios over a reporting period to record general growth or decline in company's performance and profitability. Horizontal analysis is calculated by subtracting amount in comparison year by amount in base year divided by amount in base year times 100. As you can see, there are drastic changes in 2020 and 2021 using this calculation compared to the year 2019. This calculation was used by using the non-current assets of Tenaga Nasional.
Hi Miss, my name is Deandini Arjuna. My metric number is 212220514. I'm going to show the ratio calculation. First of all, a ratio is a quantity number or size connection between two and more items. Any short of ratio is important in finance since it represents the current financial performance of a company. The financial ratio formula is used to determine the company financial performance. As a result, the financial ratio formula is as follows. First, liquidity ratio. The percentage of current ratio and acid test ratio from 2019 to 2021 was decreased. The percentage of quick ratio from 2019 to 2021 was increased. The percentage of cash ratio end of financial year from 2019 to 2021 was decreased. The day in inventory from 2019 to 2021 was decreased. Next was activity ratio. The percentage of operating ratio asset from 2019 to 2021 was increased. The percentage of operating profit margin 2019 to 2021 20 was increased. Then 2020 to 21 was decreased. Total asset turnover from 2019 to 2020 was decreased, and then the 2020 to 2021 was increased. The value of fixed asset turnover from 2019 to 2020 was decreased. Then 2020 to 21 was the inventory turnover from 2020 to 2021 was increased. Ratio. The percentage of debt ratio from 2019 to 2021 was decreased. Times increase earned from 2019 to 2020 increased, and 2020 to 2021 decreased. Debt of equity ratio from 2019 to 2021 increased. Last, profitable ratio. The percentage of gross profit margin from 2019 to 20 was decreased, then 2020 to 2021 was increased. The percentage of operating profit margin from 2019 to 20 was increased, then 20 to 21 was decreased.
My name is Shamni Anil. My matrix number is 211220659. I'm here to present about the ratio interpretation. The first ratio is the liquidity ratio. Over time, the current ratio has declined. This suggests that the firm may be unable to service its short-term debt. Second, during the last 3 years, the acid test ratio has been falling, indicating that a company's present assets are heavily reliant on inventories. The second ratio is the activity ratio. Over the last 3 years, the operating return on assets and operating profit margin have climbed and dropped. It demonstrates that the corporation was performing well only in 2020. Over time, total assets turnover, fixed asset turnover, and inventory turnover have all risen. This indicates that the more efficient the firm is at earning income from its assets, the higher its profit margin will be. The third ratio is the leverage ratio. While the debt ratio has increased marginally over time, it still started at 1, indicating that the corporation has more obligations than assets. The rate at which interest is generated has risen over time, implying that the corporation might pay its interest expenses with pre-tax earnings. Thank you.
Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So, based on information that my team give, we can conclude that basically TNB is doing a great job to maintain and grow their company. Due to COVID-19 and so on, they managed to maintain and improve their asset and investor trusted. For the company, they can try to expand its market. Ensuring the business is expanding consistency. This is very important to let the company become a potential choice for the investor. Investor trust depends on the quality and result that can be given to the company. So the second one, my idea is TNB can be considered the rate of power tariff imposed based on the present distribution. This can help to guarantee that customer do not burden solar energy totally. If more consumers switch to solar energy, the firm may face profitability issues since their profit rate will be cut, thus slowing the company development. Thank you.